So in this video we will be doing part 2 of the Chinese Baotian Scooter. And if you haven't watched part 1, watch part 1 first. You will understand the struggle a bit more, even though the video isn't my best work. And let's start the video. Okay, so it's been some time. Let's do status check. First, I have to take out the battery. Okay, so it seems like it's already charged, which is really concerning because it stood like 2 to 3 months outside. It's been 3 days or more. Let's finally test the battery. It charged for 1 day. Yep, fried. So the scooter will run with no battery at all. Right, so I took out the carb, but I don't want to take everything apart. So what I'm going to do is just take the bottom end out here and see what's wrong with it. And yeah, because outside here the fuel can get out, so it's not really a problem. And I don't have to disconnect the throttle or the choke. So yeah, that's really fine. Strangest thing happened. The fuel thing just fell out. So I don't have the proper fuel cell anymore. See, I didn't open anything. It just flew out. So this kind of sad. I took out the old 84. Gonna put the sealant ring on. I'm really disappointed that I lost it. It just fell out. Back is steel sealed. It's insane. So yeah, I'm just gonna put on the seal. And this one, it will run too thick, but it's alright. I don't really care anymore. This thing can burn in hell. Fuck it, Digga. I lost the sealing ring as well. Gonna use Loctite. Let's see if it holds up. If it doesn't, I really don't care anymore. So, quick check of the spark without the battery. And I think you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, so we definitely have spark. So I'm going to reinstall this and see if we have fuel. And as you can see here, we also have fuel and compression. Yeah, you can see the fuel spilling out. So reconnect the fuel line, kick it a few more times. Let's see if it goes on without the connected air filter. Okay, so amazingly, it works now. You just have to kick it on. See? Works. And how, now you ask, hey, how do you turn it off? Someone even sprayed on this piece of shit. Like and subscribe.
Der Roller ist frisch gefickt, sorry, Digga.
Okay guys, let's check the damage. So the wheel is not even on here. Oh hell no. Completely fucked. Okay. Small crack. Big crack. Complete split. Completely clicked out. Yeah. Does it still run? Insane shit, bro.